All right, so the first type we want to look at is a continental oceanic crust conversion. And what we have is a much more dense oceanic crust slamming into a much more buoyant continental crust. That being the case, it should make sense then that the oceanic crust is going to slide beneath the continental crust. In this situation, we have what's called a subducting slab, meaning that the oceanic crust is diving beneath the continental crust. This results in several features. We have a very deep trench that's created right at the intersection of the two. We have an accretionary wedge, which is part of the oceanic crust being mixed with the continental crust, and that's just on the land side of the trench. And then right on the land border, we have a string of volcanoes called a volcanic arc. These volcanic arcs are very common. The Andes Mountains are probably the most famous, and certainly the mountain range that runs up along the northwest of the United States, such as Mount Hood and Mount St. Helens. So this is a pretty nice diagram that shows a lot of what's going on when we get a subducting oceanic slab going beneath a continental crust that remains floating because it's more buoyant.